Hello guys, today I want to show you a secret flush with the wall combination lock door. So that's a very long name. So what is it? Well, it's a hidden door that you control with a combination lock. And the combination lock is right in front of us. In this case, it's three. It's a digit of 3. So we have the option to turn a lamp on or off. Let's turn them all off. So when we have the right combination, which in this case is only the left one on, a secret door will open. And when we walk through this, the door will close behind us and the lock will reset. So you can see it's back to all on. So let's do that again. So the lock is only the left one should be on. So I turned those off. Now the door opens, pressure plate closes behind us, and we can also use this pressure plate to get back out. So that's very interesting. Let's get to the redstone. So the lock itself consists of 2 parts. The first one is the white part, which is just controlling the redstone lamps. So if they're on or off. So how does that work? Well, this piston gets powered, and then this observer gets fired out. It's a 1 tick, so this sticky piston will spit this redstone block out, and depending on that, this is on or off. So if it would be spit out, then the redstone block would be below. So the second part is just an AND gate. It's the blue part, the cyan part. And what does that mean? Well, it means if all torches are turned off, then the final torch is also turned off. So let me demonstrate this without resetting the lock. So we need to turn these 2 off. You can see that the redstone blocks went down. Now these repeaters are all powered, so the redstone torches are off, meaning the final torch, which is this one, can go on. Now in this case, I needed a another torch because the yellow part is the door, which is just a simple double piston extender, which is hidden. So if you look at it from here, there's nothing you can see. And I need this to be on. So let's reset the door. I need this to be on so that the blocks are powered out. The last part is the purple part, which is connected to the pressure plate. And what does this do? Well, first of all, this opens the door by unpowering that torch. And the second thing it does is it will reset these pistons. So these pistons are the one controlling the lamps. And by just powering them, they will grab the blocks from below. So wherever they are, they will grab the blocks from below. And now they will all get retracted back up. We're using a pressure plate and not a observer. So that means the blocks are getting picked up by the piston and not spit out. This design is tileable, so that means we can add more lamps. It doesn't just have to be these 3. And this system is also configurable, so we could change the code. So let's do that right now. We just need to move this torch 1 block up. Then we need to move this redstone dust up. And we also need to move this repeater up. And that changed the lock. So right now the combination is only this lamp should be turned off. You can see the door open. So this is the flip-flop, which is at a single cell. So now I'm going to show you how to build this. So you need 1 redstone lamp, 2 sticky pistons, 1 observer, 1 redstone block, and well, at least 2 repeaters per cell. So let's place a block where the lamp is going to sit on. Then you will need a sticky piston on top of that facing away from it. So your control panel would be on this side. Observer facing down. Then we can place a temporary block, sticky piston underneath it. Remove the temporary block. A block of redstone. Then we want a building block right there, building block right there. Get a repeater facing into the lamp and a repeater out. So this is your output line right now. Finally, you will need the button to power this on or off. So let me explain the AND gate. So this is a very simple thing, and I'm going to split it up and show you. So what does this do? Well, basically, if all 3 torches are on, the output torch, which is the center one, is off. If all 3 torches are off, the redstone line is unpowered, meaning this torch is turned on. So I can demonstrate this by using some levers. Now the lamp turns on. So here we have the combination lock with 5 cells. Let's turn them all off for now. And I will show you on how we will use this and our AND gate to get some output. So depending on if the block is up or down, we will take some output. So let's say that we want to take these two while they are up, meaning the lamp is on. We just take a repeater, and then we also do the same thing for the ones down here. Now you need to make this run into the AND gate. I'm going to use a different color block. I'm going to place the blocks behind the repeaters and torches on the side. Now you need to take your output. So we have in this configuration, I just need to place a block right there, there. Torch on the end, and some redstone dust running on top. So if the center 2 lamps are turned on, then the lamp should go on. If I change it, so let's say I'm going to also turn the center one on, it's off. It will only be on with the right combination, which is this one. If you want to change it right now, like I showed you before, just move everything one over. So we need the repeater up, block up, the torch up, and then also the redstone dust up. Now the new combination is off, on, off, on, on. So the final thing I'm going to show you for this part of the build is to reset. Just run yourself a redstone line at the same height of the pistons. And if you power this now, this will reset it and turn every lamp on. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the double piston extender I use in this build. So I'm going to start off with the corner for the floor, and then I'm going to use glass for the walls. So these are the walls. So these are the 2 blocks that will get retracted or put back. So first thing you want to do is go 2 blocks back, place yourself a temporary block, place 2 pistons. Then we want another 2 pistons behind those. Then on the top piston level, place yourself 3 blocks like this and place 2 more blocks next to the pistons. Now you need to place a redstone dust right there with an observer. Then you want a repeater running into a block, set to 3 ticks with some redstone dust behind it. Then we're going to go 1 block down, place a repeater, set to 3 ticks and a redstone dust. Last thing we need to do is place another block right there. This has to be a solid block. In my example I'm using a glass wall, but this won't work with glass. It has to be solid. So a repeater there, set to 1 tick, redstone dust, redstone dust. Now you need to run power into this block. So I'm just going to use a lever for the example. So let me show it to you. This will extend both pistons, and this will retract both pistons. Extend it, and retraction. So these are in all the individual parts, so I hope you can build your own redstone door right now. Of course you can use any door, and you do not need to use this particular door with this system. So thanks for watching. That was the combination secret piston door. Hope to see you in the next one.